It's not often that you see a full native plant garden on a university campus, but OSU is not your typical university. Recently, students with the Center for Sovereign Nations and OSU's Landscape Services Department teamed up to further enhance the native plant corridor.
Trees are the backbone of our landscapes. So we're a very tree-focused, tree-forward campus and university. We're a tree campus higher education university through the Arbor Day Foundation and have been for 14 years consecutively. And we're also a level 2 arboretum through the Morton Foundation. And so we take our tree care very, very seriously. We love our urban forest here on campus.
I have a real passion for native plant gardening, for native plant restoration. I think native habitat is indigenous to Oklahoma is important ecologically by my major, my educational interests, but also culturally through my background as an Osage citizen and as a proud tribal member and as a member of the Center for Sovereign Nations on campus.
Oklahoma celebrates Arbor Day. The last full week of March is Arbor Week in Oklahoma. And we always plant an Arbor Day tree on campus as part of our Tree Campus Higher Education accolade. But this year it was super special because we had a student organization reach out to us and say they wanted to plant a tree on campus. And so the timing worked out just perfectly to have them here in the native plant corridor planting a native species.
I really have dreamed about putting native plants, being a part of a native planting on campus for a very long time. I didn't know who to talk to, I didn't know what to ask, so I thought that this would be a great space to do so because it's right outside Life Sciences East where the Center for Sovereign Nations is. I got in contact with Caitlin and she and Nicolette were very enthusiastic about doing this project, which I was very pleased with.
We were really nervous to see that they would be really strict with their landscaping rules, and they really weren't. They were so happy to collaborate with us, and it made us super excited to work with them.
We love it when students reach out to us, and that's how it typically works, is we have a student group who's really, really excited, and they want to plant a tree on campus and be involved in the landscape. As landscape services, we're not here just working in the background. We're here for the students, and we serve them first. And so we take any opportunity we can to work directly with them.
Campus provides such opportunity for people to be exposed to landscaping with intention, landscaping with a message, and I wanted to represent my culture outside of my building at Life Sciences East 105 where the Center for Sovereign Nations is located. I thought it'd be something special for our members to be able to have a piece of our culture out here visible every day in our daily use space. We chose hackberry and serviceberry. Hackberries and serviceberries are very important cultural foods to Native American tribes historically, as well as being fantastic foods for native birds across the country, serviceberries especially, as well as their host plants for various butterflies like the hackberry emperor, and other pollinators that are very crucial for our ecosystems. Native Americans have a history with the land, with the plants that are here, and because of that relationship, the serviceberry stands out as a very prime example because it's so abundant in the summer. There's so many fruits. There's a long history of it nourishing communities, of providing a major food source, and it gives joy. It makes me happy.
So we selected a hackberry here to be an overstory tree. We lost a beautiful American elm here a couple of years ago just due to natural decline, and so there was a large space available for an overstory tree. And being a native tree, that's what we selected. And then the serviceberries are understory trees, which will stay smaller in the understory and serve a different purpose.
And my favorite part of today's celebration is the collaboration between the Native American Student Association and our landscape services. The Native Plant Corridor highlights our university's commitment to serve the institution and honor the heritage of so many of our current and former students, as well as our community at large. I'm proud that this event highlights and shines a light on the great work of our students.
I didn't realize how shared our missions were, how aligned we were with the native plant idea and what to do with the corridor, and it made me very happy that you and the landscaping team were very receptive to having Native American representation on campus, specifically through NASA and the Center for Sovereign Nations. Those two serviceberries and a hackberry, they give me so much joy. It makes me very happy to think that these will be long-term signs of Native American Student Association on campus, representation of us and what we believe and how our connection to the land. And I think if I were to come back in decades to come, I'd be very proud. I'd be very proud to see these still around and to see them taking care of our members in our community and our campus, because these trees are silent members of the club right now. They're committed for the long term.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.